twice size of the Pluto and 4,879 kilometers in diameter. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun at a distance of only 57.9 million kilometers. It is only 5% of the Earth's size and takes 58.65 days to revolve once on its axis. This means that it has a day which is equal to 180 Earth days. Like Venus, Mercury does not have any moon. Mercury has the highest orbital velocity, because of which it takes only 88 days to complete one revolution around the Sun. The surface gravity is about 40% of the Earth's gravity. Some of the first pictures taken by the space probe Mariner 10 showed that Mercury has a rocky terrain where the surface temperature rises as high as 350 degrees centigrade. The appearance of Mercury is also known as the elongation, which comes at interval of 116 days. In other words, Mercury can be seen thrice a year. Mercury is last passed in front from the Sun on 13th November 1986 and 18th June 2005. Next to Mercury, Venus is the hottest and the brightest planet in the Sun's family. Venus has a diameter of 12,104 kilometers and it is located about 108 million kilometers from the Sun. It has a surface gravity of 0.90 as compared to the Earth. Venus rotates on its axis in clockwise direction in 243.16 days, thus having a 4-year day. It travels at a speed of 35 kilometers per second and takes about 225 days to orbit the Sun once. Besides the Mercury, Venus is the only planet in our solar system which does not have any moon. The atmosphere of the Venus is about 90 times thicker than ours and comprises largely of carbon dioxide and clouds. The rays of the Sun are absorbed by the planet's surface, and both the carbon dioxide and the clouds around the planet do not allow the heat to escape, thus causing the greenhouse effect, which results in the temperature as high as 480 degrees centigrade.
Wow, it's Earth. So guys, now we take some information about the Earth.
The Earth is a part of Sun's family and is located about 150 million kilometers away from it. The Sun was formed due to the contraction of clouds of gases and dust, and the remaining part of this cloud eventually formed the other planets in the same manner. The Earth took 100 million years to become a glowing ball comprising of a molten rock. The molten rocks on the surface gradually began to sink towards the center. As a result, this crust was formed. Volcanoes on the surface regularly threw out the molten rocks and other gases. The Earth, as we see it today, has a diameter of 12,756 km and a circumference of 40.075 km at equator. It has a total mass of about 600 billion tons, which is a land area of about 29%, and the ocean area is covered by 71%. The Earth rotates on an imaginary axis and takes 23 hours, 59 minutes and 4 seconds to complete one revolution, causing day and night. Like other planets, the Earth also revolves around the Sun, and it takes 365 days, 6 hours and 9 minutes to complete one revolution around the Sun. The Earth is tilted on its axis at an angle of 23.5 degrees. Because of this tilt, the Sun rays falls unevenly on the different parts of the Earth, thus giving us different seasons. Unlike other planets and even our Moon, the Earth has a relatively stable temperature conditions, and compared to the other planets, it doesn't become too hot and too cold. Besides the Earth's atmosphere, it has a layer of gas called ozone, which is a form of oxygen. This layer filters the Sun's harmful ultraviolet rays and thus saving life forms. So I am requesting you, please take care of this beautiful planet.
This planet is Mars. Now we take some information about the Mars.
Mars The fourth planet has a diameter of 6,794 kilometers and it is orbits at a distance of 228 million kilometers from the Sun. The surface gravity on the Mars is 0.38 of the Earth's gravity and the planet is about 1/10 of the size of the Earth. Mars moves at a speed of 23 km per second and takes about 780 days to complete one revolution around the Sun. One rotation on its own axis is completed in about 24 hours and 37 minutes. It has two moons. One is Phobos, which is 23 km in diameter, and second Deimos, which is 13 km in diameter. Since it is relatively closer to the Sun as compared to other outer planets, the surface temperature ranges between -9 degrees centigrade to -23 degrees centigrade. In earlier centuries, the astronomers believed that Mars was very much like Earth. The first photograph of the Mars was taken by the Mariner 4 spacecraft in year 1965. Subsequently, Mariner 8 took some in year 1971. As a result of this picture, it was discovered that the surface of the planet was red in color, rocky and dry. In 1976, two unmanned weakling spacecraft were sent to the planet. The data sent back by these spacecraft showed an absence of carbon atoms and living organisms in the atmosphere and soil. The Mars has a red color because of two reasons. Firstly, the soil and rocks are largely composed of iron, which has rusted due to the exposure to weather, thus giving a reddish appearance. Secondly, the entire surface is covered with the fine dust which hangs in the air, as a result of which the sky tends to have a reddish color rather than the usual blue. Mars also has a number of volcanoes and valleys, which indicates that there may have been or there may still be a geographical activities on this planet. Jupiter is largely made of liquid, gases and swirling clouds of hydrogen and helium. These liquid and gases become denser and denser as we move towards the planet's center. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system with a diameter of 1,42,884 kilometers, which is 318 times of that Earth. Besides this, it is also the fastest spinning planet. It takes only 9 hours and 50 minutes to complete one rotation. Different parts of its surface rotates at a different time. As example, the large red spots on the Jupiter's surface takes an extra 5 to 7 minutes to rotate. It is a cold planet with a temperature as low as -150 degrees centigrade, in orbit at 778 million kilometers from the Sun. At a speed of 13.1 km per second, Jupiter takes 11.85 years to revolve one path around the Sun. The Jupiter has its own mini solar system, consists of 16 moons, some of which is in a large size or some only 15 km or less in diameter. The surface gravity on this planet is 2.64 times that of the Earth. The first spacecraft to fly past Jupiter in 1973 was the Pioneer 10, followed by the Pioneer 11 in 1979. And subsequently Voyager 1 and Voyager 2. From the 17th of July 1994 onwards, the Jupiter was bombarded by 19 pieces of comet Shoemaker-Levy, which was a collision course with this planet. Each of the collision generate heat in excess of 30,000 degrees centigrade and an explosion in excess of 13,000 billion megatons of TNT and left scars on the surface of the Jupiter.